I've been working under the sink, but it's good to see you. I've been working here. I got some wrenches, some Teflon tape, and things are under control. What we're doing here is conserving water. And I know Phoenix is all about the conservation of water.
Oh yeah. And so we're just talking about Mars. I know you think a lot about Mars. So
that's what I do in my spare time. I don't have spare time. I'm always thinking about Mars.
So do you have any wisdom you can share with us about what we found versus what we might find?
So people have this romantic idea of going to live on Mars and how much fun it would be. So you know Sandy the squirrel on SpongeBob?
Oh, Sandy, who walks around.
She has a bubble.
She's got a bubble, yeah.
It's going to be the same deal on Mars. And then you say, well, I want to go outside. Well, you're going to have to put on your Sandy the squirrel bubble to go outside. There's no outside for you. Now, I spent a couple weeks in Greenland in the summer where it was flipping cold. Well, Mars is colder than that. And there's other things you think about besides food, but not much when it's that cold. And on Mars, there's nothing to eat.
Wait. We saw, how about poop potatoes? That the Martian...
that was extraordinary.
Yeah, the Martian movie, he grew potatoes in poop.
Yeah, I know. And he was counting on somebody to ship potatoes that had eyes, viable eyes. We're gonna, for lighting, we're gonna try reconfiguring this. Neil calls me sometimes, everybody, and I check the website, I follow Neil. My whole life is about following Neil. But I thought he would call in about a half hour from now if he was going to call.
So I caught you without your bow tie on. Okay.
Yeah, but I got a Planetary Society t-shirt on.
All right.
Now, there might be a few of you out there who, for some reason, are not members of the Planetary Society, but I want you to consider joining. Because we advance space science and exploration. We want everyone in the world to know the cosmos and our place within it. So, the other thing, though, about Mars that's so important, my sense is that many of you are in the university right now. You're in college right now.
Many are, yeah. Mm-hmm.
It is very reasonable that we will discover life on Mars or Europa, the moon of Jupiter, with twice as much seawater as the Earth, in your lifetime.
Okay.
And we would do it for barely $2 billion a year, which in the federal government scheme of things, in the worldwide space investment scheme of things, ain't no nothing.
Right.
Employing a triple negative for comedic effect.
Ain't no nothing. We got that.
Yeah. So Mars rocks. We want to go to Mars and look for signs of life, and I hope you all will consider checking out planetary.org.
Okay. So, and Bill Nye is CEO of the Planetary Society, just to make that
F your I, and who talked me into that?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I kind of helped you. I did that.
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, Bill, it's always great when I get you in to fold into these things.
So, are there any specific questions?
Okay. Does anyone have a question for Bill Nye now that we have him here? Right here. Oh, good. Bill, from the front row. Okay. He doesn't want to wear a helmet the way Sandy does on SpongeBob SquarePants. He wants you to terraform Mars before he goes.
All right.
How far away are we from that?
Well, consider this, everybody. We can't get the politicians or somebody here on Earth, in the world's third most populous country, and the world, certainly, without question, the world's most influential country. We can't get the leaders of that country to agree to manage the climate on this planet. Just think how very difficult it will be to manage the climate on another climate change. Way to go. So everybody, look, Neil is not nearly as old as I am. By a few months. But we gave you 2 economic recessions and climate change. We could do better.
Yeah.
But with that said, there are enormous opportunities for Arizonans to lead the world in water conservation technology, solar energy, and wind energy. The problem I, your mechanical engineering buddy, want you to solve is air transportation. We need better ways to distribute electricity, that's for sure. Better electrical grid that can accept distributed creation of electricity rather than concentrated. But then this air travel thing, once you get her done.
Get her done. All right, Bill, what's your mantra?
So that we can, working together.
That is not your mantra.
Dare I say it? Dare I say it?
It's coming. It's there.
Change the world!
Bill Nye, everybody.